this a new suit?
Yeah. Well, it's very nice. Right, hair, then tie, then out of here.
Oh, you look so dapper.
Jack is an amazing example of someone who's making a bright future for himself. So Jack, our client representative at Depaul UK.
Thank you very much, Alexia. I myself was hidden homeless. I was sofa surfing for a long period. I had a massive family breakdown, and unfortunately that led to me officially becoming homeless, going to the council and getting recommended to go and see an outreach work with Depaul. And I was thinking, Depaul, I've got no clue who Depaul were, but from the moment I stepped into that office, I felt valued. I felt like my potential was being reflected back to me and what I can do. And the staff in North East did an absolutely brilliant job, because I like to say I was essentially a broken jigsaw puzzle. And without the help and support of Depaul, I don't think I would have been able to put that puzzle back together myself.